everyone, it's our Friday kitchen again, and let's do some simple cooking of this organic corn. Okay, let's do some harvesting. And by the way, I want to show you something. This is my first encounter. I thought it is a corn virus or anything, but it is so late when I did my research and I found out that this is very rare to happen to a corn, and it is there is a menu in some countries. Oh, this one. Yo, did you see the white one? This is attacked by a fungus, and there is a menu in some countries that they cook this and they eat. This is their specialty. Maybe when I replant again corn, this will happen because when I apply natural farming, it occurs. This fungus appears on the fruit of this plant. So hopefully we can produce it next time. But today we're going to cook the simple way. After we listen the thickness of the what we call this the cover of the corn, then let's remove the some of the hairs, and then we first put the bigger ones in the pot. Oh, like that. And then of course we will put some water. We will not let the water overtake or overflow or be food, so that it will not get all the nutrients of the fruit. Yeah, it's a very simple way. And friends, kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload the new video. And by the way, thank you for your support. Thank you for watching this video of ours. And again, thank you. God bless. Let's eat time, mukbang time. Thank you, thank you.